Hey everyone, welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to bring you the latest on the markets in just a few minutes. So here's the good news. Stocks ended the day in the green yesterday, wrapping up a pretty solid week for the markets. After a big rally on Thursday, which saw both the Standard & Poor's 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite erase earlier losses from this month's sell-off, Friday's gains were the cherry on top. Now, the Nasdaq closed up about 0.2% yesterday, while the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average each also secured gains of around 0.2%. These moves helped lock in the best week of the year for all the major indexes and marked the strongest performance for stocks since November. Friday was a relatively quiet day in terms of data, but we did get some positive news on consumer sentiment, which ticked higher in August after a 5-month dip. This little boost added to the optimism that had already been building from Thursday's strong retail sales numbers and Walmart's latest earnings report. Walmart's CFO mentioned that they've seen consistency with consumer spending with no significant drop-off in July, which some had feared. This consistency helped calm recession worries that popped up after the sharp drop in stocks earlier this month. Because of this positive data, investors have started to pull back on their more dramatic bets on rate cuts from the Federal Reserve this year. Right now, the odds are about 66% for a 0.25% rate cut next month, down from the near certainty of a 0.50% cut during last week's more turbulent moments. Looking ahead, the next big thing for investors will be Fed Chair Jay Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium next Friday. That's going to be a key moment to watch for any new signals on where rates might be headed. That's a wrap for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll catch you all next week with more updates. Have a great weekend.